Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yoga, Yoga of Divine Glories.
दशमोऽध्यायः विभूतियोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया
Shri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, hear once again my supreme word, which I shall speak to you who are so loving out of solicitude for your welfare.
न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः
Neither gods nor the great sages know the secret of my birth, that is, my appearance in human or other garb out of mere sport. For I am the prime cause in all respects of gods as well as of the great seers.
यो मामजमनादिं च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढः समर्थ्येषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते
He who knows me in reality as unborn and without beginning, and as the supreme Lord of the universe, he undeluded among men is purged of all sins.
बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावः भयं चाभयमेव च अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विधाः
Reason, right knowledge, unclouded understanding, forbearance, veracity, control over the senses and mind, joy and sorrow, evolution and dissolution, fear and fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, contentment, austerity, charity, fame, and obloquy, these diverse traits of creatures emanate from me alone.
महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः
The seven great seers, their four elders, Sanaka and others, and the 14 Manus are progenitors of mankind, such as Swayambhuva and his successors, who are all devoted to me, were born of my will, to whom all these creatures belong.
एतां विभूतिं योगं च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः
He who knows in reality this supreme divine glory and supernatural power of mine gets established in me through unfaltering devotion. Of this there is no doubt.
अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवः मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः
I am the source of all creation, and everything in the world moves because of me. Knowing thus, the wise, full of devotion, constantly worship me.
मच्चित्ता गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च
With their minds fixed on me and their lives surrendered to me, conversing and enlightening one another about my glories, my devotees ever remain contented and take delight in me.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते
On those ever united through meditation with me and worshipping me with love, I confer that yoga of wisdom through which they come to me.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजं तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्तः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता
In order to bestow my compassion on them, I, dwelling in their hearts, dispel their darkness, born of ignorance, by the illuminating lamp of knowledge.
अर्जुन उवाच परं ब्रह्म परं धाम पवित्रं परमं भवान् पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजं विभुम् आहुस्त्वामर्षयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे
Arjuna said, "You are the transcendent, eternal, the supreme abode, and the greatest purifier. All the sages speak of you as the eternal, divine Purusha, the primal deity, unborn and all pervading. Likewise, speak the celestial sage Narada, the sages Asita and Devala, and the great sage Vyasa, and yourself too proclaim this to me."
सर्वमेतदृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवा न दानवाः
Krishna, I believe as true all that you tell me, Lord. Neither demons nor gods are aware of your manifestations.
स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थ त्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते
O Creator of beings, O Ruler of creatures, God of gods, the Lord of the universe, O Supreme Purusha, you alone know what you are by yourself.
वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकाम् इमां त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि
Therefore, you alone can describe in full your divine glories, whereby you pervade all these worlds.
कथं विद्यामहं योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया
O Master of Yoga, through what process of continuous meditation shall I know you, and in what particular forms, O Lord, are you to be meditated upon by me?
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्
Krishna, tell me once more in detail your power of yoga and your glory, for I know no satiety in hearing your nectar like words.
श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्त ते कथयिष्यामि दिव्याख्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे.
Shri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, now I shall tell you my prominent divine glories, for there is no limit to my manifestations.
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च.
Arjuna, I am the universal self seated in the heart of all beings. So I alone am the beginning, the middle, and also the end of all beings.
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशि.
I am Vishnu among the 12 sons of Aditi and the radiant sun among the luminaries. I am the glow of the Maruts, the 49 wind gods, and the moon, the lord of the stars.
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना.
Among the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. Among the gods, I am Indra. Among the organs of perception, that is senses, I am the mind. And I am the consciousness, life energy in living beings.
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुः शिखरिणामहम्.
Among the 11 Rudras, gods of destruction, I am Shiva. And among the Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am the Lord of riches, Kubera. Among the 8 Vasus, I am the god of fire. And among the mountains, I am the Meru.
पुरोधसाञ्च मुख्यं मां विद्धिः पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः.
Among the priests, Arjuna, know me to be their chief Brihaspati. Among the warrior chiefs, I am Skanda, the generalissimo of the gods. And among the reservoirs of water, I am the ocean.
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्मैकमक्षरं यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः.
Among the great seers, I am Bhrigu. Among words, I am the sacred syllable Om. Among sacrifices, I am the sacrifice of Japa, that is, muttering of sacred formulas. And among the immovables, the Himalayas.
अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः.
Among all trees, I am the Ashwatha, the holy fig tree. Among the celestial sages, Narada. Among the Gandharvas, celestial musicians, I am Chitraratha. And among the Siddhas, I am the sage Kapila.
उच्चैः श्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्.
Among horses, know me to be the celestial horse Uchaishrava, begotten of the churning of the ocean along with nectar, among mighty elephants, Airavata, Indra's elephant, and among men, the king.
आयुधानाम् अहं वज्रं धेनूनामस्मि कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः.
Among weapons, I am the thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the celestial cow Kamadhenu, the cow of plenty. I am the sexual desire which leads to procreation as enjoined by the scriptures. Among serpents, I am Vasuki.
अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहं पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहम्.
Among Nagas, a special class of serpents, I am the serpent god Ananta, and I am Varuna, the lord of aquatic creatures. Among the mains, I am Aryama, the head of the Pitras, and among rulers, I am Yama, the god of death.
प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहम् मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्.
Among the Daityas, I am the great devotee Prahlada, and of calculators, I am time. Among quadrupeds, I am the lion, and among birds, I am Garuda.
पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहम् झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी.
Among purifiers, I am the wind. Among warriors, I am Sri Rama. Among fishes, I am the shark, and among streams, I am the Gangas.
सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुनाम् अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम्.
Arjuna, I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all creations, of all knowledge. I am the knowledge of the soul, metaphysics. Among disputants, I am the right type of reasoning.
अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालः धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः.
Among the sounds represented by the various letters, I am A, the sound represented by the first letter of the alphabet. Of the different kinds of compounds in grammar, I am the copulative compound. I am verily the endless time, the devourer of time, God. I am the sustainer of all, having my face on all sides.
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्षनारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा.
I am the all destroying death that annihilates all, and the origin of all that are to be born. Of feminities, I am Kirti, Shri, Vak, Smriti, Medha, Dhriti, and Kshama, the goddesses presiding over glory, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, endurance, and forbearance, respectively.
बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहम् मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहं ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः.
Likewise, among the Shrutis that can be sung, I am the variety known as Brahatsama, while among the Vedic hymns, I am the hymn known as Gayatri. Again, among the 12 months of the Hindu calendar, I am the month known as Margashirsha, corresponding approximately to November, December, and among the 6 seasons successively appearing in India in the course of a year, I am the spring season.
द्यूतं छलयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहं जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम्.
I am gambling among deceitful practices and the glory of the glorious. I am the victory of the victorious, the resolve of the resolute, the goodness of the good.
वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः.
I am Krishna among the Vrishnis, Arjuna among the sons of Pandu, Vyasa among the sages, and the sage Shukracharya among the wise.
दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषताम् मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम्.
I am the subduing power of rulers. I am righteousness in those who seek to conquer, of things to be kept secret. I am the custodian in the shape of reticence, and I am the wisdom of the wise.
यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्.
Arjuna, I am even that which is the seed of all life, for there is no creature moving or unmoving which can exist without me.
नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तपा एष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया.
Arjuna, there is no limit to my divine manifestations. This is only a brief description by me of the extent of my glory.
यद्यद् विभूतिमत्तत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोम्यसम्भवम्.
Every such being, as is glorious, brilliant, and powerful, know that to be a part manifestation of my glory.
अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्.
Or what will you gain by knowing all this in detail, Arjuna? Suffice it to say that I hold this entire universe by a fraction of my yogic power.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः.
Thus, in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 10th chapter entitled The Yoga of Divine Glories.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ
ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿ ಮೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.